Hi again and welcome back. In this lesson, we'll practice English vocabulary with fun exercises based on the story from the last video. You'll test your understanding of word meanings and check how well you remember the new words. If you haven't watched the story yet, now is a great time to watch it. It will help you enjoy this part even more. Let's begin. Test 1. Choose the correct meaning. What does the word mountain mean? A. A very tall natural elevation of the Earth's surface. B. A hollow space in the side of a mountain or hill. C. A large wild animal found in forests and mountains. The correct answer is A. A very tall natural elevation of the Earth's surface. Test 2. Choose the correct word. Which word means the top or highest point of a mountain? A. Peak. B. Boulder. C. Rope. The correct answer is A. Peak. Test 3. Choose the correct meaning. What does the word avalanche mean? A. A tool with a pick and an adze used for climbing icy slopes. B. To stay overnight in a tent or temporary shelter outdoors. C. A large mass of snow, ice, and rocks falling rapidly down a mountain. The correct answer is C. A large mass of snow, ice, and rocks falling rapidly down a mountain. Test 4. Choose the correct word. Which word means a large wild animal found in forests and mountains? A. Mountain goat. B. Bear. C. Cave. The correct answer is B. Bear. Test 5. Choose the correct meaning. What does the word rope mean? A. A fire built outdoors for warmth or cooking, usually while camping. B. A hollow space in the side of a mountain or hill. C. A strong, thick string used for climbing or securing objects. The correct answer is C. A strong, thick string used for climbing or securing objects. You're doing great. Don't stop now. Let's test your full understanding of the story. Test 1. Multiple choice. These questions have several answer options, but only one is correct. They will help you remember key details from the text. Question 1. What animal did John see jumping from rock to rock? A. A wolf. B. A fox. C. A rabbit. D. A mountain goat. The correct answer is D. A mountain goat. Question 2. Where did John rest during his climb? A. Inside a small cave. B. In a tent at the top. C. On a wooden bench. D. By a frozen river. The correct answer is A. Inside a small cave. Question 3. What did John use to climb a very steep section? A. A ladder. B. His hiking poles. C. A rope and an ice axe. D. A long branch. The correct answer is C. A rope and an ice axe. Test 2. True or false? You need to decide whether a statement is true or false. This will help you check how well you understand the text. 1. John heard a loud rumble from an avalanche on another slope. True. 2. John found a warm and comfortable wooden cabin to rest in. False. He rested in a cold cave protected from the wind. 3. The bear tracks in the snow reminded John to be careful. True. 4. John used skis to go down the mountain the next morning. True. Test 3. Fill in the blanks. In these questions, you need to recall the correct word to complete the sentence. This will help you reinforce key vocabulary. 1. John saw fresh in the snow and knew a bear had been nearby. The correct answer is tracks. 2. To climb the steep part, John used his rope and. The correct answer is ice axe. 3. At night, John made a small to stay warm. The correct answer is campfire. 4. In the morning, John used his to go down the gentle slope. The correct answer is skis. Test 4. Open-ended. These questions encourage you to share your thoughts and personal experiences. This will help you practice your English and engage with the video. 1. Why did John feel excited at the beginning of his journey? The correct answer is because the fresh air, morning sun, and sounds of birds made him feel energetic and ready for adventure. 2. What made the view from the peak so special for John? The correct answer is he could see endless mountains stretching far into the distance, which made him feel proud and amazed. 3. Have you ever gone hiking or climbed a mountain? What made the trip special for you? Share your experience in the comments. You did something great today, and I'm truly proud of you. Thank you so much for being here. If this lesson helped you, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who also wants to learn English. See you in the next video.